What if I told you there's an AI tool that can write content, solve problems, and even make you money without spending a single rupee? You've probably heard of ChatGPT, but let me introduce you to DeepSeek AI, a powerful and completely free AI alternative that's making waves. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to earn real money, step by step. Welcome to Smart Coinage. Let's get right into it. Hi, I'm Devansh, and on this channel, I help you turn smart strategies into real income. Today, we're diving deep into DeepSeek AI, how it works, what makes it different, and how you can monetize it with no upfront cost. So grab a notebook. This one's packed with value. DeepSeek AI is an open-source large language model developed by a Chinese team, and it performs on par with popular models like ChatGPT. What's cool is that it supports multiple languages, offers powerful text generation, and the best part, it's free to use. You can access it via the DeepSeek website or DeepSeek Chat platform. Log in and you're ready to go. From content writing and coding to translations and idea generation, DeepSeek can do it all. Now let's talk about how to turn this tool into income. The first method is freelance content writing. You can use DeepSeek to generate blogs, articles, and SEO content, then sell these on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Simply ask DeepSeek to write a 1,000-word blog on a trending topic, tweak it for uniqueness and grammar, and deliver it to your client. Even as a beginner, you can charge $10 to $50 per article, and DeepSeek handles most of the heavy lifting. Pro tip: use tools like Grammarly and QuillBot to refine the final content and make it shine. The second method is script writing for YouTubers. Many creators need well-structured scripts but don't have the time to write them. That's where you come in. You can offer services for motivational videos, storytelling, explainer scripts, just like this one. Use DeepSeek to generate a script based on a topic or format the client needs. You can charge per script or per minute of video content and earn anywhere from 500 to 2,000 rupees per script depending on the niche and length. Third, you can create and sell AI-powered ebooks. Choose a niche like personal finance, productivity, or AI tools. Ask DeepSeek to generate chapters and organize them into an ebook. Then, design it using Canva or Google Docs and publish it on platforms like Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or your personal website. Once published, these books can become sources of passive income. Fourth, if you're into coding, DeepSeek Coder is a powerful asset. It can help you debug code, write functions, build simple applications, or automate tasks. You can offer coding services, like building small web apps, solving bugs, or automating spreadsheets on freelancer.com or to local clients. Even a single task can earn you 1,000 rupees or more, especially if you provide fast and quality work. To succeed with any of these methods, here are a few key tips. Always edit and personalize the content DeepSeek provides. Don't deliver raw AI text. Focus on quality and on understanding the client's needs. Create a strong portfolio with samples made using DeepSeek. And don't forget to market yourself through LinkedIn, Instagram, or freelancing platforms to get noticed. Remember, AI doesn't replace you, it empowers you. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Smart Coinage, and drop a comment saying DeepSeek money if you're ready to take action. Subscribe to Smart Coinage, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling.